Welcome to Clade, the covert league of animal detective experts.
Sam Snow.
Kid Casey.
Cases.
The mysterious swamp rats. Hey, something just ran by my feet.
What was that?
I think it was a rat!
A rat?
There's more of them! Rats!
Don't worry, we're mice, not rats.
Huh?
Slugs have approximately 27,000 teeth.
Kit must have dropped this. Oh, this too.
Colossal squid have eyes the size of basketballs. Hummingbirds can fly backwards.
Kit!
Nautilus is moved by jet propulsion.
Kit!
Morning, Sam. Oh, hey, my stuff.
Kit, may I ask what your things were doing lying in the hallway?
Oh, I must have left my backpack open by mistake. I do that all the time.
You really should try to keep better track of your things. If you need any help getting organized, I can...
Hey, look! The Clade crashed. Director Scratch must have a case for us.
Wombats have square poop.
Director Scratch, you have a case for us?
Indeed, I do. There's been a sudden increase in rat sightings in the North American wetlands, and the locals are in a panic.
Rats, huh? That's not good. Too many rats can cause all kinds of problems. They steal food and spread diseases.
It's up to you two to figure out what's going on before the wetlands are overrun with rats.
You can count on us, Director.
Now arriving at destination biome. North American wetlands.
Thanks, Ron.
Rats!
Well, we're definitely in the right place. Excuse me, we'd like to ask you if...
It touched my foot! It touched my foot!
Ma'am, when did...
Rats! Rats everywhere!
Can you tell us what they look like?
Only if you get me off the ground. They look like rats. Quick little things with gray fur.
And long pink tails.
Sounds like rats, all right. And look, little paw prints. But these don't look like rat paw prints. Let me scan them. It's no good. The paw prints are too smudged. These little guys must be in a hurry. But why?
I don't know, but let's find out.
Sam, it's coming your way.
Oh. You got it! That doesn't look like a rat.
It's not. It's a baby opossum. Opossums have gray fur and pink tails like rats, but they're a totally different species.
Hey! Put our brother down!
We're just trying to figure out what's going on. Where's your mama?
We don't know.
We've looked everywhere for her.
So that's why they've been running around in such a hurry.
Mama opossums carry their babies on their backs, and sometimes they don't notice if they drop one.
Sounds like someone I know.
But these babies are too little to be on their own.
We're not little. We're super tough.
Opossums?
What just happened to them?
It's okay, everyone. They're just playing possum. It's something opossums do when they're startled to confuse predators into leaving them alone. They'll wake up soon. See?
In the meantime, does anyone know who or where their mother is?
An opossum lives in a hollow tree over that-a-way, but no one's seen her in a few days.
And it's up to us to find her.
Better take the hoverboards. Climb on, little guys.
Uh-oh. Is that a hawk?
Yep, a hungry one. We'd better find the opossum's mama before the hawk does.
This must be the hollow tree where the mama opossum lives.
There's nothing in here that can tell us where she went.
But this might.
A tail track. I bet she was dragging her tail, which left lines in the dirt. Yep, this is an opossum tail track, all right.
And that's where we fell off.
Come on, we're on the right track.
Huh? The tail track just stops.
But check it out. Scratch marks. Looks like she made a stop at this tree.
There are scratch marks on that tree, too. And that one.
So she's been climbing up and down the trees. But why?
Fruit!
I've never seen a fruit like this before.
That's called a pawpaw. It's really tasty, but can be hard to find if you don't know where to look. Creatures around here love it.
Looks like someone bit into this one. Someone with a lot of teeth.
That's an opossum bite mark. They have the most teeth of any mammal in North America. I guess Mama Opossum stopped for a snack.
These trees have already been picked clean, but maybe there are more nearby. Cluebot, search for other pawpaw trees. We'll find her in no time.
I hope so, because that hawk's sure getting closer.
It found another pawpaw tree. Let's go. This is it. Mama Opossum, are you here?
Who's there?
Hiya!
We're from Clade. We think you may have lost something.
Or three.
Mama!
My babies! Did you fall off, my darlings? Thank you so much for finding them. It's just so hard to keep track of all these kids. See what I mean?
We're happy to help. But what were you doing so far from your den?
Just taking the babies on a little vacation to show them where the pawpaw fruit is. But we've had our fill, right, kiddos? Yeah, we better be getting home.
We'd be happy to take you back to the village. We could keep an eye out for falling babies. And my extra socks. I think I might have dropped them somewhere.
Hawk!
They're playing possum again.
Quick, catch them! Kit, heads up!
Looks like playing possum worked. The hawk's leaving.
But wait, where's...
Mama Opossum!
She's floating away! Hurry!
Let's go!
Can't she wake up now that the hawk is gone?
She can't control when... Look out! When she wakes up! Even though now would be a very good time. Watch out for that log! I mean, alligator! Sam, the river is moving way too fast. How are we going to catch up?
The river splits, then reconnects. Right before a waterfall!
We can take the shortcut and get there before she does. Come on!
Mama!
The current's too strong. Uh-oh.
Try this.
My clay claw. Thanks, little buddy. Hang on! Phew. We made it.
Wake up, Mama.
Did I miss anything? We're back!
We missed you.
Everyone, say hi to my babies. 1, 2, 3, 4. 13 of them.
Oh, so cute. Sorry, we thought they were rats.
You what?
Hey, look! We brought pawpaws.
Oh, yeah. They look cool.
Another creature case.
Closed. Now, Kit, do you have everything before we head back to Clade?
I do,
What?
but you don't.
How did he get that? I had it right here in my pocket. Which apparently has a hole in it. Fantastic.
Wow, Sam, you really should try to keep better track of your things. If you need help getting organized, I could give you a few tips.
Fact file.
Yeah! Vice Squad Fact File. Bill.
Jill.
Status.
Chill.
System. Settings.
Set to thrill.
Update. Opossums.
Fact file.
Mama opossums carry their babies on their backs.
They can be hard to keep track of, and sometimes they even fall off.
Whoopsie.
Fact file.
Opossums have lots of teeth.
The most teeth of any North American mammal.
Fact file.
When startled, they go stiff and play possum to defend themselves.
That's one way to confuse predators.
Error. Upload incomplete.
How to fix it?
Move your feet.
Fact file.